lemon shortbread.
Selfies.
With a coconut lemon royal icing.
Lemon shortbread cookies are actually really easy to make.
Because they don't take long to bake.
So what you need is
1 cup butter,
2.5 cups flour,
1 cup sugar,
2 tablespoons lemon juice.
and a little pinch, like 2 pinches of lemon zest to flavor.
Sorry folks, these cookies are not gluten-free or sugar-free or anything healthy.
But that's okay. They got royal icing. Ha ha ha! So the first step is to pour the sugar into the butter and the lemon juice. And then we're going to use our old-fashioned mixer here to mix it all together. Till it's nice and creamy. And then we're going to sift the flour. This is hard. I recommend a hand mixer. I think you need to use your muscles. Mom, I think we need your help. But now we're going way, way, way back in time with the old wooden spoon because our mixer kind of broke. So don't recommend using it.
So the next step is we're going to sift the flour in gradually.
About 3 scoops a time. Don't overwork the dough too much. We're just going to make sure it all sticks together.
And we're going to roll it out to 3/4 of an inch thick. Preheat the oven to 375 and bake for only 6 minutes.
The cookies are in the oven. Baking. Now it's time for the icing. Yeah! We put icing sugar in this bowl, a whole bag of it. And now we're gonna add 5 egg white.
And don't forget 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar to make it white and bright.
High up there, we want to show you what the consistency looks like. So it's supposed to be like slowly running off the spoon, but in our case it's a bit too thick, so we're gonna add a little water to it.
Don't forget to add your flavors and colors. So we're using vanilla, lemon, and coconut, but you can flavor it however you like.
So we're gonna show you with the pink. How it looks. Turning pink.
Now we're gonna add a dash of vanilla to flavor our pink.
Make sure you taste it!
Taste it.
Perfect. Yeah. See, I told you. It's good.
We got our colors for the selfie and our scribblers for the details.
And we got a black pen here for the outlines.
Have fun!
With raspberry jam, we're going to be gluing our faces to our cookie board. The cookie face to our cookie board, and then after, we're going to outline with this black gel. So, yeah, get started. A very thin layer. So as you can see, we have our background colors here.
So after the sets, we're going to do our details and show you after. So we're just adding our finishing touches now.
Finally finished! Voila! Can't wait to eat it. What? That's sad.
I think he's here.
Daddy's back!
Cool selfies!
I'm gonna miss my face.
I want the brain!
I want the ears.
I want my skin. I can see why
I'll take
mosquitoes
the
like
clown.
it.
Then I'll get really hot on this
All right,
rainy day.
I'll take the cloud.
Cut her up.
Wow, it's nice and crispy. I want
Got
the
a snap?
cloud.
Is there a snap
Oh,
to
there's
it?
a nice snap to it. It's caramelizing and it's just, oh, you can just tell there's weight to it. Oh my gosh, straight to Vegas!